Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add 1password to Chrome extension. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is open your Chrome browser. And as you can see, I am already there. Now in order to add extension, just take a look on the right top. You can see 3 dots. Simply click on it. After clicking on it, take your mouse cursor to the extension option, and you will see a little window here. Click on the option, Visit Chrome Web Store. Once you will click on it, it will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store, where you can add multiple extensions which are available in the Google Chrome. If I scroll down, you will see a lot of different extensions. Now, in order to add 1password, just click on the search, and here, write 1password. After writing 1password, below you can see the option of 1password extension. Click on it. Now, in order to add it in your Google Chrome, simply click Add to Chrome, and it will start adding. Click on the option Add Extension. Now it will take a while, and when it will be added, you will see it. As you can see, it has been added. Now in order to set up, click on option Continue, and here you have to create your 1password. After clicking on it, it will show you how can you use it. And below you can also see password extension to your browser toolbar. So set up by yourself. And it was the way by which you can add it in your Google Chrome.